None.
Wait, Dad, here.
Yo! Can you
Turn
say
the
it?
torch off. Turn it off.
Can you say it?
Turn the torch off. Turn it completely off.
Dad!
Oi!
Wait!
It's not gonna get that big.
Ready?
Yeah, buddy!
Oh! Holy shit! Holy shit, that was good. Someone go get water.
No, it's fine, let it burn. We got our own little bonfire.
It'll burn all around.
Danny, you're a worrywart these days.
But what if you fucking burn the whole paddock, mate?
Nothing's gonna happen. It's just rain. The grass is wet.
Not that wet.
How good was that? It was heaps high.
Did you get that? Oh!